to Chateau de Lalande's Advent Calendar vlogs, where every day of December we'll be showing you how we prepare for Christmas here at the Chateau.
Yeah, we've got loads of tricks and tips for you, and if you don't want to miss a thing, hit subscribe, click the notification button, and you'll not miss anything.
Here's today's video. I'm super excited today because Marie is in the house, and last Christmas she decorated the whole chateau and it was magical, and she made the most amazing wreath for the front gate. Absolutely huge. And I've asked her if she wouldn't mind showing you how to make a wreath. So she's going to show you how to make a normal household sized wreath. And well, that's as far as I can tell you because I don't know how to make it. So I'll be learning as well.
Last year was quite grand, and I wanted to maybe show you how to make your own Christmas wreath to put out on your front door. And I've just been out harvesting a lot of greenery from outside.
Gorgeous.
Yeah, got some hydrangeas, lavender, got some chestnuts from last year that we sprayed and used for the Christmas wreaths last year.
Oh, the chestnuts just keep giving.
Yeah. And two winter greens, some dried plants that I think will go nicely. Break it up, doesn't need to be all green. So yeah, just going to show you how to do it.
Looks gorgeous.
Yeah.
I love the fact that you're doing this with a glass of wine on the table.
Yes, we do need it when you first have a weekend off.
You're going wild because
Yeah.
Marie has a very important job now. She is the assistant manager of a very chic boutique hotel in Bury St Edmunds.
Yeah, there's unfortunately not that much wine drinking as it used to be when I was living here. So, cheers. Right, so let's start. What we're going to do, I like it really messy.
Of course you do.
Supposed to mean?
Nothing.
What you want to do is to cut small pieces of greenery and layer them on the base. So I got a wire that I've connected here, and what you'd want to do is just kind of hide the hay
Yes.
a little bit. Start in here and then continue. Not going to do the back because it won't show. And you just get a lot of greenery. It's quite handy to cut up all the right pieces before you start. Then you start by just pulling your wire over the greens you already put in.
Wonderful.
So you have to kind of take the wire with you.
Can still see last year's wire on it.
Yeah.
See, you can use these again and again.
Oh yeah. These are reusable every year. So a couple of times should be fine. This is the first one, so I'm doing it a couple of times just to make sure it sits. And
By couple, you appear to mean at least 7.
yeah, I like it to be tight, okay? And then you go a bit further over so that you're moving the greens as you go.
And you're
then
hiding the wire at the same time.
hiding the wire, but don't worry about that because we're going to hide the wire eventually. So if you think that you can't hide everything, we're going to stick greenery into the hay as well.
You do know how to make a fire.
I do.
Starting to really take shape, Marie.
Yeah, it does. It does.
It's because the wine's disappeared.
Yes. So I have to hurry so I can get some more.
It's really looking good. It's very rich and luxurious and full.
Yeah, that's how it should be.
How's it going, Mary?
It's good. I'm just about to finish. Oh, thank you.
Oh, the service in this house. There's just one thing I don't understand, Michael. Where's my wine glass?
You don't get wine
Oh!
until you finish work.
It's quite strict in this house.
You'll fall asleep if you drink wine.
Yeah, we all know that. That's very true.
Right.
Oh, Marie, it's looking amazing.
Starting to get there, isn't it?
Starting?
Starting?
I think I would.
It's finished.
That's exactly what I would say.
Yeah, it's just I got everything down now, so I think I'm gonna get some of these glued on and just spread them around a little bit, so get a bit of a Christmassy feel to it. Maybe some of these as well.
Oh, it's going to look
Layers
so
of
good.
Yeah.
And how do you fix those on?
I glued them on. Yeah.
We need some tartan ribbons.
Yes.
Well, actually, I have tartan ribbon. Yes, of
Oh.
course.
What a good idea.
Excellent.
Would you like that?
Yeah, I would love to.
Okay.
Yeah.
Or do you want to get the tartan ribbon?
Get the tartan ribbon, yeah.
Oh, lovely.
Look what I found.
Ooh, wow.
I think it'll look quite nice.
That's pretty.
I like it.
Yeah.
Do you think Jerry would like that?
Of course. We'll have a little touch of Gerald in this house.
Is the Pope a Catholic?
Marie, that is stunning.
Yeah. And my wine is finished, so I think we just have to be finished.
You can't carry on after that point. Absolutely beautiful. Shall we hang it over the fire?
Yeah.
Then we can sit around it
Yeah.
and stare in wonderment at what you've done.
Aww. We can.
It's not Christmas till you're in the house.
Aww,
Like,
Stephanie.
it's true.
Got a hanger here. Hello.
Maybe you should wear that all Christmas.
I don't think I have a thick enough head. There we go.
And it goes on the little... Oh, there's a loop.
Oh dear. Oh dear. This is going really well.
No.
Oh, it's great. This looks great. Now when we're sitting by the fire, we can look up and see Marie's beautiful wreath and wish that you were with us on Christmas Day.